Very good afternoon to all my dear students. As you all know, in previous sessions, we have already prepared one structure that is merry-go-round. But in today's session, we will start design, the most important design, that is mini robo. We will use here only bricks, plates, flat files, not any angular beams, not any connector peg, right? So today we will prepare design by the help of flat files, bricks, plates. तो that means आज जो हम अवेयर होंगे सारे टॉपिक्स से, वो टॉपिक्स क्या होंगे? ब्रिक्स होंगी, फ्लैट फाइल्स होंगे और आपके प्लेट्स हो सकती हैं, राउंड प्लेट हो सकती है, स्ट्रेट प्लेट हो सकती है. तो आज हम उसके बारे में चीजों को सीखेंगे, किस तरीके से उनको असेंबल किया जाता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद डिजाइन. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉर मेकिंग दिस डिजाइन वी नीड one part and its name is brick, right? Its name is what? Its name is brick, but its size is 2 by 2. So for that, first of all, you have to find out, right? So you have to type here brick. As you can see, आप जैसे ही brick टाइप करेंगे 2 by 2, you will receive some folders, and you know very well you can take this brick from this folder. So just expand it by the help of this plus symbol. Just click on that, and now you will receive lots of bricks, and its size is 2 by 2. So you can take any one, right? Like if I want to take transparent brick, and like if I want to take this one, right? So I can take it. So just click on that and just drag on your work plane area. Right now I'm going to maximize the screen or maximize the work plane area, ताकि आप easily चीजों को समझ सकें, understand कर सकें, right? Now for making mini robo, we need second step. And what are the second step? Second step is we need again one brick, but right now we need a round brick. Okay, not straight brick. आप देख सकते हैं ये straight brick थी. Now I'm going to collapse my folder and I'll go on round brick folder, and simply I can expand by the help of this symbol, and now you will see lots of round part are here. And now I want to find out W cross brick. And it is not available. It is not available in LDD. So what should I do? Simply change the theme. Just go back on view option, and after that you have to choose new theme, and then you will choose Lego Mindstorm. You can see here. Now collapse all the dividers, and now you can easily cancel. Now you will expand it. Yes, here it is. So you can take this W cross 16 W cross brick, just click on that, and after that you have to put here like this. Now you have to change the theme again, LDD, because most of the parts of mini robo are available in LDD theme. And now my next step is what? My next step is I want plate for making my design, right? So I'm just typing here plate. 2 by 2. Yes, now you can expand this folder. This is the plate folder, and here lots of results are available. You can see here 2 by 2 plates are available here. So you can take any one, any color plate. So I want to take which one? I want to take a red maroon color. So I can take this one and just put it here like this. आपको इसको equally place करना है, इस बात का बहुत ध्यान रखना है, right? Yes, that is fine. And now move on to the next step. And for in next part is angular brick. So just close this last search, and after that you have to type here angular brick, and you will receive one folder, one exact folder. You can expand this one and you will receive angular brick one by one. You can see these all are the angular brick one by one. So I want to take this color angular brick because I want to take same color. So I'll just put here. You can see. And now I'll show you. यहाँ पर आपको इसको place करना है. And after that you will take one more angular brick. So you can take from here easily, and after that you will change the direction of this angular brick like this by the help of keyboard. You know very well, right? And now you can put here in opposite direction of first one, right? Now I'll show you. Yes, in this way. Now move on to the next step, and in next step you need brick. Once again you need brick, so you have to type here brick. But right now आपको कौन से size का brick चाहिए? That is 1 by 2 size. Okay, that is what? That is 1 by 2 brick size. So you have to find out here. You have to find out here 1 by 2 brick size. So just collapse your all dividers, and now you will expand from here. 1 by 2. Its size is 1 by 2. So you can take it, right? You can take it easily. And after that you will change the direction like this, and now you will set like this. Right? ये देखिए. You can see. Now you need one angle plate. You need what? You need one angle plate. अभी आपको एक क्वेश्चन तो जरूर माइंड में रेज हो रहा होगा कि मैम बार बार हर पार्ट को बाय नेम इजीली क्यों गेट कर पा रही हैं, बाय नेम वो कैसे जानती हैं? बिकॉज रेगुलरली वर्क करने पर आप हर एक पार्ट को इजीली लर्न कर सकते हैं, देन इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So just cancel this search, and now you have to write here angle plate. What is it? It is angle plate, right? Just expand your folder, and now you will receive the exact plate which you want to design your mini robot structure, right? So I want to take this red color angle plate. Just take it, just click on that, and after that just drag your mouse like this, right? And now you will change the direction. You will change the direction of this angle plate like this, and now you will put here in front of this. आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं इसको easily यहाँ पर assemble कर सकती हूँ, यहाँ पर ये space की वजह से, right? So I'll just put it here like this, and now you will check out. आप देख सकते हैं, देखेंगे साइड से और बैक साइड से तो आप बहुत इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक मिनी शेप रोबोट की आनी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। आपने बेस क्रिएट कर लिया, आपने मिडिल पोर्शन क्रिएट कर लिया। नाउ यू विल मूव ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द मिनी रोबो, राइट? चलिए आगे मूव ऑन करते हैं। और अब आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप पर चाहिए एक फ्लैट फाइल। So just close this search and now you have to write here flat file. अब जैसे ही फ्लैट फाइल टाइप करेंगे अपने सर्च बॉक्स में, so you will receive one folder in which we have lots of parts. But right now I want to collapse all the dividers and now I want to search it flat file. Right? I'm just typing flat file. Yes, these are the flat files, right? And I want 1/2 size. Okay, I want what? I want 1/2 size. So it is 1/1, but right now I want 1/2 flat file. Yes, here it is. So I can take this one easily, and now you have to rotate this in this way. And after that you will set where you will set in front of this, right? So you have to change the direction like this. आपको इसको मैं show करती हूँ, आपको इस direction में इसको set करना है. So just take it and then you will put here. ये देखिए, correct? And now you have to move on the next step, that is plate. That is what? That is plate, and its name is a round plate. So you have to type here plate, right? You have to type here plate, and its size is 1/1, and you need round plate. So you have to find out here. Okay, it is not available here, so you have to type round plate, plate 1/1 round. Yes, here it is, right? So you can take from here. So I want to take this yellow color plate, and now I want to change the direction in this way, and then I will put here. I'll show you. I will put here, right? You can see. I want one more plate, so I can take one more, and after that I will change the direction like this, and then I will put here. Correct? Now move on to the next step. You need one more round plate for assembling here. So you can take one more, and then you have to change the direction like this, and now you will set here. Similarly, you need one more, so you can take it and then you will put here, right? For creating this mini robo hands, right? यहाँ से आपको thought clear हो गया होगा कि हमने क्यों लिए हैं, correct? So now move on to the next step, and in next step you need one plate, but right now it's not round plate, it is holder plate, vertical holder plate, right? So I'm just typing here plate 2/1 W holder plate. Yes. So this is a folder, and by the help of this folder you can easily take the vertical holder plate. So I want to take this red color plate, right? And now I want to rotate it like this, change the direction in this way, correct? And now you will put here. I'll show you. Yes, in this way. You can see, correct? Yes. So we need one more same plate, right? So for that, no need to find out again and again because the same folder has already opened here. So we can take easily, right? And now I'm going to take this plate, holder vertical plate, just click on that, and after that you will rotate it by the help of keyboard, right? You know very well what are the steps for that, and then you will assemble here. But before that, you have to rotate your work plane area like this, and then you will just click on that, and now you can easily assemble. Now you will check out the structure is almost ready, not completely but almost ready. आप देख सकते हैं आपने इसका बेस स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर लिया है, इसका मिडल पोर्शन क्रिएट कर लिया है, इवन यू हैव ऑलरेडी created this robot hands also, right? Now move on to the next step, and in next step what should I do? I need one more part and its name is plate W stick. So I'm just typing here plate W stick. So you have to type here plate 1/2 W stick. Yes, so this is a plate which I want right now. So I will take this red color plate and then I want to change the direction. Okay, not this one, I want this one. This is another plate, right? And now I want to take this one. So I just want to rotate like this, and after that I want to set here in this way. You can see, right? And now I'm going to move on the next step. And the next step is I want one plate, but right now I want knob plate. अभी मैंने कौन सी प्लेट यूज की? स्टिक प्लेट, बट अभी मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ नॉब प्लेट. So I'm just typing here plate, and then I'm just typing here 1/2 knob plate, but I'm typing knob. So I'm typing here W knob plate. Yes, not this one. I'm just cancel this search, and right now I'm typing here plate, and then I'm just finding here. So this one is no plate, but it is 2/2, and I want which size? I want 1/2. Right? So yes, this one. स्लोली हम अपने पार्ट को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं इजीली. एंड आई एम जस्ट फाइंडिंग नो प्लेट. Yes, this one is 1 by 2 no plate. Here it is. So I can take red color no plate. So I will take it, and now I'm setting here, right? And then move on to the next step. And in next step, we need one flat file, and no need to find out again. I'm just taking by the help of clone tool, right? मैं इसको easily यहाँ से ले सकती हूँ clone tool की help से. So just click on that, and after that you will put like this, correct? For hiding my rough structure. आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर मैंने इस flat file को इसीलिए use किया है क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर इसको hide कर सकती हूँ. So I'm just hiding this, right? And now I'm going to move on next step, and in next step I need again the same part. This is what this is flat, this is round plate, right? And right now I'm just taking this one from here by the help of clone tool. I'm not finding again, I'm just taking from here, but I'm just putting this here. But before that I want to change the direction like this. Yes, in this way, correct? And now I am taking the most beautiful part and most important part, that is mini antenna. What is called? That is mini antenna. And just expand this folder. Now you will receive mini antennas. Lots of mini antennas are here. So I want to take this red color mini antenna and just putting here, right? I'm just putting here, correct? And right now I want to take two same parts for making robo eyes. So just take it from clone like this, right? And now I want to take one more like this, but I don't want yellow color eyes, right? I want white color eyes. So I just use paint tool. मैं already इनके uses सीख चुकी हूँ. Nothing is new for me. So I know very well what are the use of paint tool. By the help of paint tool, I can change the color of eyes of this mini robo structure. So just click on that. Okay, give me 1 minute. Oh, it's hide tool. It's not paint tool. So unhide my item. And now I'm just clicking on paint tool. And now you will click here, and now you will receive all the respective color of this particular part. And I'm just want to take any other color, like if I want to take black color, so I can take, right? If I want to take white color, so I can take. So it is your choice which color you want. I want proper white color, right? So I can take this one like this, right? Correct? And now I'm just deleting the extra part which is available on my work plane area. And now I'm going to move on the next step. And in next step, I need one radiator grill. So just cancel this search, and right now I'm finding here radiator. Grill. I'm just finding here radiator, right? And now I'm finding this is a radiator grill 1 by 2. Yes, I can take it. And now I will put this radiator grill here like this for making beautiful hands. So it is completely up to you which color you want to take. So I want to take the same color, this red color, and now I will assemble like this, right? So this is my complete mini robot structure. It is beautiful. This is beautiful, right? You can see right now I'm going to delete this extra part from work plane area. Now I'll show you the complete structure. Yes, you can see it's looking beautiful. So completely depends on our thoughts. अगर हम कुछ भी सोचते हैं वो हम easily इन parts की help से बना सकते हैं. And I hope it is clear to you.